Happy New Year, sunshine to you. I hope you all had a really good Christmas break and we're ready to get back at it and get ready for masterclass the end of January. So we'll start our class with our song. Join. We join hands and we sing, clap and circle, make notes ring. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we talk, clap and circle, make notes walk. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we shout, clap and circle, shout notes out. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands, whisper sounds, clap and circle, round and round. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. Okay, right hand, we'll say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, and our belly button. Fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so we are going to focus on scale and festival masterclass pieces. So our scale, you are doing your bridge chord. And back down. And we should be doing that 3 times a day, okay? It does not need to be that fast, but it can't be any faster than that. And we want to work at holding those chords. Okay, so festival pieces. We will need to pick our second festival piece when we meet individually this week to make sure we are started on that. Registration for festival is that first week of February. And masterclass is the Friday, Saturday of the last weekend in January. So our masterclass piece will need to be memorized by next week so that we are fine-tuning dynamics and everything like that. So we'll work with that when we meet individually. And for composition, we are going to continue working with what you have, and then we will get together as a group and spend a few minutes individually, listen to each other's songs, and put some dynamics, some titles, some things like that in, and have them ready to go by the first week of February, at the latest the second week of February, because I've got to get them in the mail. Okay, so for homework this week, we have H44. And you're going to color the bells that ring 4 beats. So a half note is, where did my half note fall off to? Here we go. Half note is 2 counts. So 2 plus 2 is 4. A quarter note is 1 count, and 2 eighth notes equal a quarter note. We would count 1 and. We haven't got to 2 yet. Or in this case, it would be 1 and 2 and, but we haven't got to 3. A whole note, great big whole note, 4 counts, and a half note with a dot, half note dot, dotted half note, 3 counts. And remember, our dot increases our note value by half. So our half note's 2 counts, half of that is 1 more, so we have 3. And color all the bells down here, they get 3 counts. So really work this week at note values so that we are confident and understand those, okay? Then our next page is page 55, and this is looking at our chords that we use with our scale. So our 1 chord and our 5/7 chord. Okay, and you're marking the one that is different. And for Roman numeral 1, you're making a capital I. And I'm hoping you can all do the capital I and the V yourself. You might need a bit of help with the 7, but I'm hoping you can do most of this on your own. Okay. Then we have K25 as our solo. Now, the reason I'm kind of having a better look at this is this can be one you can choose for your second festival piece if you want. But the tricky part with this is the phrase. And we have a 4/4 time signature, so 4 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note. So you have your half note that holds for 2 counts, and your right hand has to connect all the way through. The tricky part is going to be connecting from here to here when your left hand plays this again, and from here to here when your left hand plays it again. So we're going to try to keep it as smooth and connected as we can. And then we go into our 5/7 chord down here. Watch the fingering. Fingering is there to help you keep it legato or smooth. Okay, so have a look at this one. Like I said, this could be a second festival piece if we have not chosen the second one for you. Then for sight reading, we should be working on our surprise packages here in the back. And if you've done all of them, let's just go back and start them again. So remember, you're doing 1 a day. You're clapping it or counting it out first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're clapping it. Then you're going through naming the notes. And then you're going to the keyboard and you're playing it. Okay? You get 1 chance to play it. If it goes great, that's wonderful. If it doesn't go well, talk about how it could have gone better. Okay, and just do 1 of those a day, and that will help you for note naming, and also help you to count, and they're just really important pages that we do. Okay, also work with your tin sheet to know the notes from low C up to high C. So we have got 2 octaves of notes that we should know at this point in time, but we should be really good from bass clef F up to treble clef G. Okay, other than that, I think I will do a clap back for you. And I'll do it again. I would like you to clap that for me. Ready? Go. Good. And we'll give you a rhythm story to work on as well, okay? So, ready? Watch it again. And your time signature should be 3/4. 3 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note. All right, so I look forward to seeing each of you this week when we meet individually, and we'll dig in on the festival pieces and on composition, and then we'll get together. Let me know if there is a time that works really well to get together on, like a Monday afternoon or a Thursday afternoon, and earlier, like after lunch. And we can set that time aside to use that for our composition. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing each of you again, and we'll get back in routine, and this is becoming our new normal, but ideally we'll eventually get back in studio. Okay, so we'll sing goodbye. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Remember, 5 happy practices, okay? And let's see if we can get that scale 3 times a day. Okay? See you later in the week, you guys.